Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. So this is a kid's microscope. Let me go ahead and show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to add a clip of my kids actually using it. They are already so excited about this. So this is how it comes packed. At the bottom, you have this right here. This little user manual. It comes with a charger to charge it up. And then this is what the thing looks like. You're gonna hold it like this. You can adjust the strap depending on how big you are. It comes out with a monitor like this. I'm gonna take this part off. And then you have your power button. You have your up and down picture. So that takes the picture and this records. And then you have right here, this is where you're gonna charge it. And then it has like a TF thing, like so that you can store memory if you want to. Let me go ahead and see if it comes charged. So it does come charged. Just press the power button. And then you can see, you're gonna be able to see stuff really, really close up. So it has a light right here, and you can go up and down on your light. So that's the highest light. So that's the lowest, and then you can see, so then I'm gonna go up. You can see, that's the brightest it goes. And then you can zoom in like this to see something really, really close up, or you can zoom out by doing this. So like, you see how that's like underneath my nail bed. You see, you can get closer. You can also see like your fingerprint. You see how close it gets. So that's my fingerprint and stuff. So you can do like a lot of pretty cool stuff with this, but let's go ahead and see what my kids think about it.
Pizza. I didn't even take a picture. I'll be right back.
You have to look at stuff with it on the ground and stuff. You don't look at it through there, you just look at it through the lens. You have to hold something up to the front of it. Like look, you hold something right there. No, not the things up here. And then you hold it closer. You see? And you can adjust the top of it with this to make it zoom in. See, it's too blurry. So you keep going like this until, nope, other way. So you put it up to it and then you move it like this. I can't do it because your hand's there. You see what that looks like?
Uh-huh.
Isn't that cool?
Mm-hmm. You can see like if there's any bugs on it.
But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.